Introducing Explora Chatbot. With Explora, you can stay updated on the museum's current events, special programs, tickets, and accessibility options, including discounts. It's designed to ensure that whether you're visiting for an event, a special exhibit, or just a day out, you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Your go-to information bot for everything about the museum. Whether you're a teacher, student, or general visitor, Explora provides quick and easy access to essential details that make your museum experience seamless. Beyond exhibits, Explora gives insights into other available services, such as guided tours, dining options, gift shops, and event hosting. It's the perfect assistant to help you navigate all the museum has to offer. For teachers, Explora offers a dedicated section to help align your curriculum with the exhibits, ensuring that your students get the most educational value during their visit. It's a great way to support learning by linking classroom topics to what's on display at the museum. Students will also benefit by using Explora to discover exhibit-related information that complements their lessons, helping them learn in a more hands-on way. In short, Explora is your smart information companion, ready to assist with everything you need to know about the museum from exhibits to events and beyond. With Explora,